Right, I've had a delivery for the Super Cub. New exhaust. Let's get it fitted. Right, we're getting somewhere now. That looks good. Looks good, it's coming together. I think we're getting ever closer to that point where we're going to be able to ride it. So that's looking good. It's only finger tight at the minute. We need to get some proper fasteners and some sort of sealant for where these two pipes join, because that's not sealed in there. Obviously these two need to be secure as well, but I mean, look at that, it's coming together. It's looking good, looking good. I don't know if you can see this right, but that stamp there says that this bike was last changed ownership in 1970, July 1970, and it was Birmingham, and the previous owners were around Birmingham, so it's a local bike. But yeah, 1970, a long time ago. Right, I just nicked everything up, not super tight, but enough that it's not going to fall apart. We'll give it a run, see what it sounds like. sort all this out next. In fact, you know, in theory, I know it's not properly finished yet, but in theory, if we put a gear lever on it, we could ride it. Let's whack that on. Right, there's the gear lever on. Right, but I just remembered this brake lever on this side doesn't have a return spring on it, so when you press it down, it stays down and doesn't come back up. So it needs a spring. Goes from there to this little nub in here, and then another spring, a separate spring that goes to the brake light switch, but I can leave that off for now. I think I've got one of those springs. Let me have a look. Aha! Look. Springs. That's what we need. Sorted. Happy days. Spring on. That's working fine. Right then.